Boil the pork until tender and marinate in a mixing bowl. Combine oyster sauce, soy sauce, a splash of rice wine or dry sherry if available. Minced garlic, minced ginger, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. This marinade will infuse flavor into the first side as browned. Start stir-frying the pork using a spatula or tongs. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the pork is cooked through and slightly crispy. The exact cooking time depends on the thickness of your pork strips. Add vegetables. Start with the vegetables that take the longest to cook, like carrots, and stir-fry for a minute or 2. Then add the quicker cooking vegetables, like bell peppers and mushrooms, and continue to stir-fry. Pre-cooked egg noodles according to the package. Combine cornstarch and broth in a small bowl. Whisk together the cornstarch and chicken or vegetable broth until the cornstarch is completely dissolved. This step helps to thicken the sauce. Mix the sauce. In another bowl, combine the soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and add the remaining sauce. Partially stir-fry for another minute before adding again until everything is well combined and heated through. Taste addition to just the seasoning with salt, pepper, or more soy sauce if needed. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.